You have the Motorola, this is the G Go, it looks like this, cool camera feature on the back here, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You don't know what to do. The good news is we can reset the phone and erase the screen lock. The bad news is we have to factory reset the device. So let's get started. Let's power off the device. Now to reset it, we're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. Press volume down and power. And we're looking for something called the fast boot menu. And there's the fast boot menu. Now with the volume keys, we're going to scroll 2 times 1, 2, and we're looking for recovery mode. Now we're going to press OK, power for OK. And it just takes a few seconds. Now we're looking for the fallen Android no command. Now at this screen, we're going to hold power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and that brings us the Android recovery menu, which allows us to wipe the data and factory reset right there. Press OK with power. Scroll down one more time, wipe all user data, this cannot be undone. Scroll down once to factory data reset, press OK with power. And we can confirm here that the data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Now keep in mind, if you have set up your Motorola with your Gmail or your Google account, you will 100% still need to log in with your Gmail or Google account, especially if you turned on the Find My Device or Find My Security feature inside the phone. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.